I got the deets on a sale. Who doesn't love a sale?
I love a sale.
And we're going to tell you about it next. Look what we have. We have some City Lips and some City Beauty products. City Beauty and City Lips, huge Mother's Day sale. That's why we're coming on today. And by the way, welcome to Real Chicks TV. I'm your Real Chick Carla, and this is...
I'm Cindy.
My best friend in the whole wide world of 25 years. Cindy, for our new subscribers, used to be on the channel when we were known as Two Real Chicks, and now it's Real Chicks TV. But she promised she would come back and visit, and here she is. So I'm so happy that you're here.
I'm happy to be here. I missed you guys.
And we have a product that we both use, that we both love, and we're going to tell you about this huge sale. And one of the reasons that I wanted to do this video is because there was a flash sale a couple of weeks ago, and it was a one-day only sale. And some people didn't see the video until a couple of days later, so they missed the sale. And several expressed that they were really bummed about that. This sale runs from April 25th through April 28th, and they're running it for 4 days, and they're running it for that time so that it'll be guaranteed to get to you in time for Mother's Day. So it's a big old Mother's Day sale. We have City Lips, we have these, which these line smoothing hydro masks. I love these. Line smoothing, wrinkle reducing hydro mask. Would you like to take a peek?
I kind of would.
Okay.
Ooh.
These are so luxurious. I've only used them a couple of times, and I felt like I was at a spa every time I used them. By the way, all City Beauty products are cruelty free. Let me get that in there too.
Wow, these are nice. Feel the packaging.
The packaging is luxurious. All the City Beauty products.
Everything they do is luxurious.
I mean, they don't skimp on anything. Quality all the way. And this is a biocellulose mask. Helps hydrate the skin, smooth the look of fine lines and wrinkles, and helps naturally protect the sin. The sin? No, we're not going to protect the sin. But this might
protect the skin.
Protect the skin and maybe look like you didn't sin so much the night before.
There you go.
There you go. So it helps protect the skin using a very high concentration of some plant extracts as well as hyaluronic acid serum. That's the big word everybody is after, is hyaluronic acid. Would you like to have one?
May I?
I will give you one, and if you stick around, we're going to tell you details on how you can win an entire set of goodies from City Lips and City Beauty. So basically,
I love them.
I wanted to come on and tell you that everything from the 25th of April through the 28th of April is 30% off site-wide. This is a great time to stock up for yourself and for mom. And we have some recommendations for you for Mother's Day. First on both of our lists would be City Lips. Yes, you can get the mattes, you can get the clear, you can get the opaques, or you can get the glosses. I did an entire review. I will link that video in the description box below so you can see all about how City Lips works. And you use it. What do you think?
I love it. I do love it.
It is a plumping lip product.
But it doesn't hurt.
It doesn't hurt. Maybe a little bit of a tingle when you first use it, but it doesn't hurt, it doesn't sting, it doesn't taste icky, it doesn't any of that bad stuff that you don't want, and it actually does work. And when they had that flash sale, a lot of people bought it and have contacted me and said, Carla, you weren't kidding, that stuff really does work. It really does work. So we highly recommend that you get some City Lips for mom. That is a great no-brainer. Also great for mom, going to be these hydro masks that we talked about. Love these. You're going to love that. I promise you.
I can't wait.
Another product that they have that I am testing out that I have no doubt is going to be amazing is City Lash. This is a lash serum to make your lashes look fuller, longer, thicker, and you know my lashes. Tell them about my lashes.
She don't have any.
I don't have any.
She has no lashes.
So, I mean,
bless her little heart.
Even with like 18 coats of mascara, this is the best that I can get. So I am thrilled. And as we age, that happens to a lot of people. Now, this has been the case my whole life, as you well know. But if your mom or yourself may be experiencing a little bit of lack in the lash area, here's a great gift idea. City
I want
Lash.
some of that.
This is a new product that they just recently launched.
I want some of that.
Yes.
I will
so
put that on my
definitely. We also have this amazing eye cream that I have been checking out, the Under Eye Recovery. Under Eye Recovery. This is a beautiful, beautiful product. Comes in a pump. Check that out. How luxurious feeling is that?
Oh, wow.
And that works miracles on the eyes. Then a couple of other recommendations that we would make would be the Illuminating Dark Spot Corrector. Now you got to listen to this. Illuminating Dark Spot Corrector, powerful dark spot correcting treatment formulated with sophisticated fast-acting ingredients. Now here's what it claims to treat. Dark spots, liver spots, age spots, acne scars. It's an illuminating cream. So whatever you got going on pigmentation wise on your face, if it's a spot, the spot treatment is going to take care of it, and mom is going to love this. You're a mom and a Gigi.
And a Gigi.
So would you like to receive any of these products for Mother's
to.
Day?
What's this?
This is amazing. This is the multi-action sculpting cream. This does just what you would think the word sculpt means. This is going to sculpt your neck, sculpt your jowls, sculpt your chin, your jawline, your cheeks, all of that. It's going to help lift and firm, which Lord knows we could all use a little bit of that. This is an amazing product that I'm trying out for you as well. And once I finish trying all these out, I'll do full reviews, but everything I am loving so far, and the ones that you are using.
I'm using actually the sculpting cream too.
Ooh, what do you think of it?
Can you tell?
I can.
Can you see?
There's definitely tightness through here and through here.
I've been using it. I like it.
It is beautiful. Comes in, again, another luxurious package for you.
Crazy.
Has this nice little spatula that I have dropped in between the couch cushions. That's why it's called Real Chicks TV and not Perfect Chicks TV. And this is going to make a great gift for mom for sure. So we have all of these wonderful products that we highly recommend. I will have a link to City Beauty down below, and make sure that you use the discount code. So go ahead and take advantage of this 30% off site-wide sale, whether it's for Mother's Day or for yourself. You have 4 days, the 25th through the 28th, to take advantage of that. And you're going to get a discount code as well. So your exclusive link is down in the description box, and use the code that's across the screen and the code that is in the description box below so that you can get that 30% off. You got to use that code to get that 30% off and that link as well. So
going shopping.
me too. I'm going to stock up on some City Lips because I need some more clear. That clear is going to plump your lips like nothing you have ever seen before. And as we get older, our lips get thinner. This stuff is like getting injections without having to go through the pain or expense.
It's perfect.
So we love us some City Beauty. Oh, I almost forgot. There's a prize involved.
No.
Yes. Okay. City Beauty has been kind enough that they are going to give away to one lucky person a City Lash Serum, a Hydra Mask, and a clear City Lips. Which, can you show them yours? Yes. So you are going to get all three of these. This is a $165 value. You get the mask. The City Lips Clear, and voila, the City Lash. This is a $165 value, and you will win it in time for Mother's Day as well. So that is awesome sauceum. Now, YouTube has changed the way they do contests. Of course, there has to be a new change all the time. It's YouTube.
That's what they do.
It should be called Complicated Tube, not YouTube. Their tube, not YouTube. Their tube. So we cannot use Gleam like we always used to use for our giveaways. I am going to use the random picker that comes with YouTube. So the way we're going to do this is you are going to leave a comment down in the comment section below. In a complete sentence, just use the word city. can say, I love the big city. I hate the big city. I love city lips. I want to try city lips. Just use it in a complete sentence. Don't just type the word city and dash.
Yeah, that's kind of
Humor us a little bit, you know? Let us know that you give a flying flip, okay? Just humor us a little bit. So use the word city in a complete sentence. The downside of this is I will not be able to respond to your comments, but I promise that I will like and heart it to acknowledge that I have seen it. And the reason I can't respond to the comments is because the random picker chooses from the comments. So if my comments are in there, it's going to skew it all off and take away your chances of winning, and I don't want to do that. So I have to also have a way to contact you. So I need you to either leave your Instagram handle or your Twitter handle. I don't want you to leave your email address. That's too private. So please don't do that. But either your Instagram handle or your Twitter handle, or if you have a YouTube channel, tell me the name of your YouTube channel so that I have some way of contacting you. Have to do it that way to keep it honest, and have to do it that way to keep it fair. So that's really it. You're going to win 3 wonderful things that are $165 value. We cannot recommend these for Mother's Day enough. And a great gift for Mom, because you know, Mom gets tired of the fuzzy slippers year after year.
Kind of do. Kind of do.
So go on over to the link for City Beauty down in the description box below. Save yourself some money. Pick yourself up some good deals. Get something for Mom. Get something for yourself. And come back and see us next time. I'm Carla.
I'm Cindy.
And we love you.
Bye.
Keep your head, heels, and standards high. Check you later.